Betty's.
I want to get a drink.
Right here's the little high five. You want a high five?
Oh, yeah.
They got a blue one right here.
Oh, that's my favorite one.
Okay.
You like that one?
Yeah.
What are these, Mama?
Knee highs.
This is a red ribbon.
Orange Supreme Soda.
Are these bathtub toys?
No, that's a doggy toy. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. Oh look, they have Lay's Doritos flavored chips. Here's some of the Nora Meal stuff that they have in here. The cornmeal, speckled grits.
What about if we do some pancake shrimp?
Corn dog shrimp.
Yeah, corn dog shrimp. You want to do
Yeah.
that? The shrimp's probably going to be over here, baby.
Over here.
Let's see if they got shrimp, everybody. I don't know if they do or not, to be honest with you, but they might. No, I'm not seeing any shrimp. They got frog legs and catfish. They do got, yeah, they got shrimp. Yeah, it's kind of like a corn dog deal that you dip it in.
Yeah, so we need this yellow cornmeal.
No, it's kind of like a sweet, like a fair. Almost tastes like something like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, so we need to make a cornmeal mix like we did when we did those corn dogs.
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what we need. Yeah.
Pretty sure when I did it before, I just made my own cornmeal. I used a recipe and made it.
This is almost like a sweet fair taste, you know, like a carnival type.
I thought you said carnival or carnival.
Yeah, a carner. Say it again. Carnival. I'm having a hard time with my words today, everybody. Carnival. Do y'all ever do this? Carnival. I got it. Okay, let's stop it right there. I'm not going to say it again. What do you think it is, Mom?
Cornmeal.
Okay, well just get what you think. It's sweet though. It needs to be the sweet kind. What about this Jif mix right here?
Mix. That's what we need. 2 boxes of this, right?
Yeah.
Look at these different cakes. They have a German feasting cake, German pretzel mix, Black Forest. Oh, what are these? Portuguese pork rinds. Oh, they have different flavors. Birthday cake pork rinds. I'm sorry, we'll pass on that. Nacho cheddar. Oh, apple cinnamon. Himalayan pink salt and vinegar, white cheddar, dill pickle, smoky jalapeno and cheese. Oh, samples. Free samples.
Free samples?
Yeah.
Really?
Right. I told
Folks,
Sissy beware of the dip.
Don't worry about me. I don't worry about people double dip.
No, Daddy, please don't.
Don't worry about
Daddy,
me,
please
everybody.
don't. Please don't. They also have this here with the different mustards.
Different mustards?
What are you doing in there?
We don't worry about stuff here in the South, everybody.
Oh no, you just grab you some pretzels and keep on going. I love this section. This is your real old-fashioned candy over here. Burnt peanuts, Boston baked beans, peanut butter bars. These look really good.
What are they, baby?
Chocolate Buckeyes.
Chocolate Buckeyes. Okay.
See how good they look really good, don't they?
They really do. Almost looks kind of like those rolls to me. Those chocolate candies, you know, they call rolls. That's what.
Rolos.
Rolos, yeah. Well, I'm all messed up today, y'all. Y'all look over me. Mama, look, they got all kinds of. What are these? Black cow.
Chewy chocolate caramel candy.
We got
And
one.
there's a Slowpoke chewy caramel candy.
But I ain't seeing them Rolos.
We got some pickled eggs and stuff right here. You got you some more pretzels, huh? Yeah.
The asparagus here.
Pickled asparagus? Mm-hmm. Slaw mix or cabbage, either one.
Okay.
We'll just get the cabbage.
Cabbage.
Do we want carrots in it or no?
Let's put a few carrots. Yeah.
Okay. You get just a baby bag and everything.
Baby bag.
Or you want to get the matchsticks that are already, yeah, let's do
There you go.
matchstick. There's caboose cobbler mix. What's caboose cobbler?
I'm gonna go ahead and do some frog legs too.
Okay.
I got shrimp, trout, and frog legs.
Okay. I love these old stoves and stuff in here. Over here are the cookies. Do they have peanut butter ones? They do.
it up.
I already sampled these. They are great. It's the Lay's Doritos Cool Ranch flavored.
Let's see what this
It
tastes
says
like.
saddle up because Lay's.
Well, I know how to saddle up. I know all about that. It's really good now. Get you a bologna and cheese sandwich with that right there and see what happens. A little mayonnaise on it.
Come on, big.
That's lunchtime right there, buddy. Chocolate covered bananas, everybody. It ain't my favorite. It ain't bad, but it ain't my favorite. What do you think?
Same.
Baby Buckeyes.
Those are good.
That's good right there now. Red Ribbon, Orange Supreme Soda.
Yeah,
Take another swallow, Mom.
that's good.
That is yummy. That's delicious.
And these are great. These little baby Buckeyes.
If y'all in town, get you one of them right there.
I'm gonna put our little baby Buckeyes in here. Man, these things are so good. Those are great, y'all. Our giant cookies are gonna be for dessert. This one accidentally got broken, the no bake one, but we got the no bake, chocolate chip, and peanut butter. Alright, so we've got the cabbage and the carrots in there. We're gonna put some minced onion first. Let me grab that real quick. I'm not gonna measure these, we're gonna shake some in. Probably about a tablespoon. Salt and pepper. Now the mayonnaise. We're gonna put just a little bit of sugar and a little bit more mayonnaise. That should do it. All right, this goes in the refrigerator. I think our family recipe dish here will be about the perfect depth and everything. So we'll make the cornmeal mixture in here.
If y'all wondering what I'm doing, I'm washing
Might be
dishes.
enough. Yeah.
I'm keeping the dishes washed this week.
How much shrimp do we have? Let me see. I'm looking at the shrimp. So he's making shrimp, fish, and frog legs.
Yeah.
So
I love frog legs, y'all.
one box might be enough. I'll just make one box and then we'll see if we need to add more. We'll add some more. We'll go ahead and get this started. Now, how are you going to be frying up your fish? Are you breading it or battering it, or are you just, how are you doing that?
Well, you know, we bought that breading.
Fish fry, yeah. Perfectly seasoned, stone ground breading mix for fish and shrimp.
I'm gonna dip the frog legs in that batter you do it.
Okay. Yeah, we'll do 2 boxes. I got it right here.
You do? Okay.
So all we're gonna do is when the oil gets hot enough is dip the shrimp, drop it in, and it will not take long. Oh yeah, that's gonna be perfect. We're just gonna dip it in there and let it drip a little bit and drop it in the oil. I'm not sure.
Folks, this ain't turning out right.
Yeah. Let's
Oh, that there's gonna be okay. We got
Okay.
one that's gonna be all right,
Yeah.
everybody. The rest of them we're not sure about, right, baby?
Yeah.
We got a few that's gonna be okay right
Yeah.
here, everybody. We can serve these. The rest of them, we tell you to close your eyes when we bring you your plate, right,
the breading is
The bread ain't. I would come out if this was at a restaurant situation. I'd be like, now, sir, madam, if you don't mind, we got one. We want to serve y'all as you open your eyes. When we bring this one to you, we want you to actually look at it. The rest of these, we want you to close your eyes and enjoy.
Right.
We want you to really allow your taste buds to really take in everything, because your eyes are not going to want to see the rest of them. Okay, you follow me here?
See if you can flip those around.
I think they're going to be okay, Mama. If they're floating or they're done, Mama, and they're done.
That one's done.
That's done. Show them that one, Mama. Close your eyes, everybody. We don't care what they look like here at this restaurant. It's what it tastes like, right, baby?
Right.
Eat them with your eyes closed. Learn to eat different ways. Well, have you ever tried closing your eyes, sir? Go to sleep while you're eating this. Show them that one, Mama. That one's the one we
one's
got,
good.
everybody. That is it,
Yeah,
right
that's a
there.
good one.
That's the only one we got.
Maybe the oil wasn't quite ready.
The oil wasn't ready for what we had coming, y'all. That's all it was. Right now, what we almost got here is a shrimp hush puppy. That's what that thing looks like, is a shrimp hush puppy.
That's what it looks like.
We ready for it now. They putting us in the game. We ready now, Mama.
You gotta make sure that oil is ready to go.
The restaurant business is just, it's tough. It's tough. I'm just being honest with you. You got people that's wanting to criticize you just because something didn't turn out right. People mean. You know what I would tell them? Same thing my mama told me. Well, eat it or starve. Because there's kids in this world that don't got nothing, bud. That's what they said in the old days. These right here are going to be fine right here, I think.
Oh, yeah.
These are good. We're okay. I want to tell everybody at this part of the video, I don't stand up the whole time while I'm eating.
Yeah.
I sit down and enjoy my food, but when we do the taste test, I normally just fix the plate and then we do this right here. But this is not where I'll be the entire time that I'm enjoying the food. I will go over and sit down. These are the fillets. I'm just going to eat it with my hand. I hope that don't offend.
Mm-hmm. No.
If it does,
go ahead.
close your eyes.
Great.
Really good. Yeah. This tartar sauce tastes kind of like
Long John.
Huck Finn's and Long John's. Boy, I'm having a hard time today. Woo! It's almost like I'm from a different country or something. Right here is the shrimp. That joker tastes like you went to a fish house and got that.
Really?
Mm-hmm. You put some of that Long John's tartar sauce on that. I know y'all dying to know what them frog legs taste like, so Fallon's gonna sample that.
No, I'm not. Mm-mm.
That is tasty.
Does it taste like chicken?
It's better than chicken, I think. It's probably better than anything on the plate, and that's all good right there. Them frog legs,
Okay.